Hello everyone. Welcome back to HAMSTER KOMBAT Daily Cipher for July 14. If this is your first visit, please subscribe to this channel to get notified about our daily updates. Firstly, select the Daily Cipher option among the 3 tabs to activate the Daily Cipher. Start deciphering the code once the hamster space turned into red. Today's code is trust. The code for T is single long tap. Code for R is short tap plus long tap plus short tap. Code for U is short tap plus long tap. Code for S is short tap plus short tap. Code for T is single long tap. Finally, tap on Take the Prize to claim your 1 million coins. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more updates.